My name's Amy and I've just completed my A-levels in biology, chemistry and maths and I'm going on to do medicine later this year. In this short video, I'll hopefully be able to give you some hints and tips if you are considering a career in medicine. First, start researching your universities early and focus on things not just like the size and the location, but actually the style of teaching. How do they teach anatomy? Some universities are more traditional and it's quite science intense, whereas others use what's called problem-based learning, which is a lot more independent, and you know what will work best for you. The next thing is clinical exposure. So, do you meet your patients earlier on or later down the line? Some universities also offer alternative offers, perhaps because of where you live or because you've taken part in an access programme run by that university. With choosing any university, it's all about being strategic. Look at what's most important to them. Is it your grades? Is it your personal statement? Or is it a score that you have achieved in the medical admissions test, things like the UCAT and the BMAT? When it comes to choosing subjects, they often require things like biology, chemistry, and/or maths. So, this does depend on the university, so definitely keep that in mind. But what's becoming increasingly popular is humanities subjects alongside the sciences, so things like a language or psychology, because they show a different skill set. Another thing to consider is what's called an extended project qualification. This is essentially a research project where you can choose the topic and it can be seen quite highly by some universities. When it comes to work experience and sort of strengthening your personal statement, engage with activities run by universities, lectures, webinars, or even programs that are specific for medicine. When it comes to work experience, volunteer. Volunteer in your local community, but also within college, things like becoming the form representative. Now, with COVID, it is difficult to get work experience, but there are virtual ones available. For example, Observe GP. And if you can get your hands on an opportunity like shadowing a doctor, that's another really worthwhile opportunity. With any work experience, though, keep a diary and focus not necessarily on what you did, but actually the skills you gained and how that makes you an effective doctor, because it's all about reflection. Some ongoing things that all of you can do is to keep up to date with NHS hot topics. Download the BBC News app and read the BMJ, the British Medical Journal, regularly. Now, your college was so supportive, and I would definitely recommend you to join the Vets and Medics group because they'll really support you in creating a strong medical application. The medical application process is a long process, let alone the actual medical career, but it's so rewarding and worthwhile. And just know that all of you are capable if you put your mind to it and you persevere. I want to wish you the best of luck with your applications.